Today, I'll show you how to transfer from PayPal to Binance. First, open your PayPal account and sign in. Before starting, it is important to know that PayPal and Binance do not always support direct transfers between each other in every country. So, if you are looking for a simple Send to Binance button inside PayPal, you may not see one. The safest method is usually to move money from PayPal to your bank account first, then deposit from your bank account to Binance. In PayPal, go to your wallet or tap your PayPal balance. Choose Transfer Money, then select Transfer to your bank. Choose your linked bank account, enter the amount, review the details, and confirm the withdrawal. Wait until the money arrives in your bank account. After that, open the Binance app or website, sign into your Binance account, go to Deposit, choose Fiat Deposit if you want to deposit regular money like dollars, euros, or another supported currency. Select your currency, then choose an available payment method, such as bank transfer, card, or another local option. Binance says available fiat deposit methods depend on your currency and region, so the options may look different for each account. Follow the instructions on Binance carefully. Enter the amount, review any fees, then complete the deposit from your bank account. Once the money is in your Binance Fiat wallet, you can use it to buy crypto. For example, you can buy USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another supported asset. Another possible method is Binance P2P. Binance P2P supports many payment methods, and PayPal may appear in some regions or listings. To check this, open Binance, go to P2P, choose the crypto you want to buy, and search for PayPal as the payment method. Only trade with verified users, check their completion rate, read the terms, and keep all communication inside Binance. Be careful with PayPal P2P trades because PayPal payments can sometimes be reversed or disputed. Binance community safety posts also warn about chargeback and third-party payment risks in P2P trading. So, to keep it simple, the safest route is PayPal to bank, then bank to Binance. If PayPal appears in Binance P2P, use it carefully and only follow Binance's official process. And that's how you transfer from PayPal to Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.